This is part 2 of our adventure here at Danjugan Island. I'm now in another accommodation. This is another room that you would have here at Danjugan. And even the toilet is so uniquely designed. You look out the window and there's a mini cave. This is what you see. Let's set out to another adventure. This is a mud house accommodation. And how are you?
I'm very good.
Yay. Are we doing fins this time?
Yeah.
Going kayaking to the first lagoon. We just did kayaking and snorkeling here at the first lagoon. This is the first lagoon. The water is murky here because it's way deeper. That dark patch is a bunch of sea urchins. I've seen a golden heron and lots of fishes in the water. What else? Sea urchins, bahag-bahag, sea cucumber, dilis jumping on the water surface, and a lot of other things. I also got my stuff wet. It's a good thing that there's a dry bag. Ah! There's the sea cucumber! It's so creepy! It's so creepy! Ah! This is what they call the Twin Peaks Beach, meaning this beach has a twin that looks exactly like this. And we're going snorkeling, and on the horizon is Turtle Island. These are what they call the Pirate's Eye. Breathe through your nose, and when it's too tight, it means that there's no leak. And then you have to breathe through your mouth and if the glass gets foggy, you have to spit on it. Wipe the spit all over the glass and wash it with seawater. All snorkelers who've used this has done this on the snorkel. So okay, let's get snorkeling.
There's a jellyfish!
Where?
There.
Sure.
Yeah. White. Yeah. There's jellyfish.
Yeah.
White, transparent.
The water's so shallow out there. I don't know if you have to stand. If you can stand on the bottom because it's coral and all that stuff.
Every nook and corner is just so pretty. So we did a lot of kayaking, swimming, and snorkeling, and we saw a lot of things under the water. Alrighty, alrighty. Woo! I saw a lot of fish and starfish and giant clams, and I was hanging out with batfish. Like lots of them. Bye, Matt. Bye, Sabrina. Au revoir. Au revoir. Choose. Matt and Sabrina sailing off into the sunset. Literally. That's all to yourself. Sunset in paradise. This is the bamboo bridge, also called as the office of the staff here, because this is one of the few spots here at Danjugan that has internet signal. Thank you so much, Danjugan, and all of you here who's taking care of the island. This is Joan of Art, and bye-bye for now. See you.